Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a YouTube channel on your smartphones and everything you need to get started when creating a YouTube channel. So if you're excited for today's video, please give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn on your post notification, and make sure you watch the video till the end. A lot of you guys don't subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please prove me wrong by hitting that subscribe button. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. If you want to create a YouTube channel, tap on the top right corner of your screen, select your channel and choose a channel name. Make sure your channel name is unique. Once you're done, click on create channel. Now it's time for you to edit your channel. Click on the top right corner of your screen again and select your channel. Now you see the option that says edit channel. Click on it and tap on add the description. So what I would advise you to do is to use a hashtag of your channel name. In any description, your video description or your channel description, make sure there's a hashtag of your channel name. It makes you get discovered fast on YouTube. So in this field, you have to tell your viewers how often you upload and what your channel is all about. You can also leave links to your social media account down here. So once you're done, click on the little check mark over there. If you want to add your channel profile picture, click on the top right corner of your screen and click on manage your Google account. Click on this place and you can set profile picture. Choose from photos. It's going to take some time for your profile picture to actually appear on your YouTube channel. Your channel cannot appear in the search except you have more than 3 videos. It doesn't mean if you shoot with your phone or you have a camera, just upload great content every day or every 2 days or every 3 days. Just make sure you're consistent. So if you want to create a YouTube video, just click on create, upload the video, click on next, add the title. Make sure your title is very descriptive and long. Don't forget to add a hashtag of your channel name. Make sure your description is longer than this. Make sure you add every single video to a playlist. You can create a video playlist on a PC. Video visibility. You can make your video private, unlisted, public, and schedule. You can set your video to a particular date and time. Once you're done, click on next. You can select if your video is made for kids or not and click on upload. If you get this video to 50 likes, I'm going to show you how you can manage your videos and edit your videos with YouTube Studio right on your smartphones. If this video was helpful, please give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn on your post notification, and stay tuned for our next lead video. Love you guys. Peace.